is the impossibility of reason. That's what this place feels like. Hell. I hate it already, and it's only been a week. Some goddamn week, Grandma. The hardest thing I think I've ever done is go on point 3 times this week. I don't even know what I'm doing. A gook could be standing 3 feet in front of me and I wouldn't know it. I'm so tired. We get up at 5 a.m., hump all day, camp around 4 or 5, dig a foxhole, eat, then put out an all-night ambush or a 3-man listening post in the jungle. It's scary because nobody tells me how to do anything because I'm new. Nobody cares about the new guys. They don't even want to know your name. The unwritten rule is a new guy's life isn't worth as much because he hasn't put his time in yet. And they say if you're going to get killed in the Nam, it's better to get it in the first few weeks. The logic being, you don't suffer that much. If you're lucky, you get to stay in the perimeter at night. And then you pull a 3-hour guard shift. So maybe you sleep 3-4 hours a night. But you don't really sleep. I don't think I can keep this up. There you go, Sarge. I think I'm ready.
We got buku movement.
Dying just got hit, was being pushed north. Saw their claymore strung up in a tree. Threw a whole fucking platoon to pieces. Dead shit. Yeah. I got 2 lieutenants and captain.
All right, Sergeant, who do you want on ambush?
Flash, you take your squad out.
Ježíš, kolikrát ty musíš trefit?
I need Texas Junior from your squad.
Jasně.
Okay, move
Jo,
out.
ty vole, to bolí do
I thought
toho.
it was O'Neill's turn.
No. Tubbs and Morehouse are short. Few shangs going on an R&R tomorrow, and you want to send them out on an ambush? You got the fresh meat, buddy.
They don't know shit, Barnes.
Nemáš tam kuličky. Nemáš tam kuličky.
That's just great, Bob. What do you want me to do? Send one of my guys out to get zapped so some lame ass just in from the world can get his beauty sleep? Nah.
Hey, O'Neill, take a break. You don't have to be a prick every day in your life, you know.
Flash, get your men ready.
Si to dotoč. Dole, na tom zásobníku.
Jesus fucking Christ or something.
O'Neill, your short timer stay in, but you go out. I need better
Musíš jít. Zkus to.
Jo, víš kolikrát jsi mě trefil? 3krát. Člověk zařve jau a on znova. Jau, znova.
Já jsem vystřelil semeráky. Ten prostě mává rukama a...
It's gonna piss on us all night. Gonna put a serious case of crotch rot on that ugly face of yours, Junior.
Damn, man. You break your ass, white man. No justice, man.
What's O'Neill got? A nose up the lieutenant's ass already? How come we always get fucking ambushed?
Because it's politics, man. Politics.
Hey, Chris, did I show you a picture of Lucy Jean?
No, you didn't.
She's the one for me, all right. That Lucy Jean. She's waiting for me, too.
Yeah, she's real pretty. You're a lucky guy, Garner.
Hey, you got a picture of your girl? I guess that leaves some unlucky girl back at home, don't it?
Tuck this in. Chick in this. Don't need this. Turn around. Come on.
Damn it, Elias, don't mess with my pig. I ain't getting greased on this bush tonight, so you keep this sorry cheese dick off my ass.
You got Taylor. Gardner, you're with me. Look, in case anything happens to you, you get lost or separated, don't yell out, okay?
Okay.
Just sit tight, and we'll get you.
All right.
Yo! Saddle up! Lock and load!
I come from Alabama with my banjo, and I'm going to Louisiana, my true love for to see. Oh, don't you cry for me, for I come from Alabama with my banjo.
course, Mom and Dad didn't want me to come here. They wanted me to be just like them. Respectable, hardworking, a little house, a family. They drove me crazy with their goddamn world, Grandma. You know, Mom. I guess having always been sheltered and special, I just want to be anonymous, like everybody else. Do my share for my country. Live up to what Grandpa did in the first war, and Dad did in the second. Well, here I am, anonymous, all right, with guys nobody really cares about. They come from the end of the line, most of them. Small towns you never heard of. Pulaski, Tennessee, Brandon, Mississippi, Brook Bend, Utah, Walton, Pennsylvania. 2 years high school's about it. Maybe if they're lucky, a job waiting for them back in the factory. Most of them got nothing. They're the unwanted. Yet they're fighting for our society and our freedom. It's weird, isn't it? At the bottom of the barrel, they know it. Maybe that's why they call themselves grunts. Because a grunt can take it. Can take anything. They're the best I've ever seen, Grandma. The heart and soul.
Hey, Taylor. Hey. Jeez, Dick, you're up.
What?
You're up.
Sure you know how to work the claymores, dude? Yeah, I'm sure.
Lick the safety off and bang on that sucker 3 times.
3 times, I got it.
Don't catch any Z's on me, buddy, or I'll sling your sorry ass. You hear me?
Okay.
Get the fire hot! Right!
Maybe I can...
Watch out! Rockets!
Tell Mom I miss her too.
Shit, man. Okay? Here, take this.
Vy jste oba dva, jo?
No, zájem. Já vyprdě. Stalo se, no.
Je to nějak divně střílí, já nevím. Lítnou 2 kuličky, pak už nic.
Dobrý, já jsem něco.